Andhra Pradesh has emerged as India's top performing state in AI and big data analytics skilling under Future Skills Prime. Now, before we take a deep dive into the story, let me quickly tell you about Cypher 2026 here. We are going to be at KTPO Bengaluru from October 7th to 9th with an exciting lineup including Arjun Erigesi, Lakshmi R. Iyer and Sumit Dagar. If big ideas and new perspectives excite you, this is that one stage, this is that one place you need to be at. So get your passes now, and we are excited to see you there. With that, here's the story. Now, METI's own data, released August 12th, 108,895 candidates in Andhra Pradesh have completed AI and BTA certification, which is the highest of any state in the country. Worth reading the enrollment figures carefully here because the ministry's own release states them two different ways. It says more than 1.5 lakh candidates were enrolled or trained in AI and BDA over the last 3 years. Then also simultaneously and separately states more than 2.1 lakh cumulatively enrolled or trained across all emerging tech domains combined, which is AI, BDA, cybersecurity, blockchain. The state's total crosses 4.3 lakh. At the national level, it's 34 lakh registrations, which includes 23 lakh enrolled or trained, 13 lakh actually certified, with 86% of the participants coming from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Do the arithmetic and Andhra Pradesh's 108,895 certified candidates make up roughly 8% of India's entire certified pool under this program, which is a genuine state-level lead, though it is, I would say, a modest slice of the national number. Now, of course, CM Chandrababu Naidu added a second data point on X, the Advanced Quantum Skilling course run by IIT Madras and IBM Research through NPTEL produced 4 gold and 14 silver medalists nationally. All 18 are from Andhra Pradesh. Naidu, in fact, tied that directly to Amravati's quantum ambitions, and he noted that over 1 lakh AP learners are already enrolled on NPTEL, part of what he called the state's push towards 40 lakh globally skilled quantum professionals. Now, this is worth being precise because this is a different program from Future Skills Prime. IIT Madras and IBM Research via NPTEL and not METI NASSCOM, but it lands the same week and reinforces the identical narrative here. Two real numbers, both genuinely good news for Andhra Pradesh's skilling push and the skilling rush, but two different things are getting folded into one story here. And here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on the story. The Future Skills Prime lead is, of course, a large-scale, broad-based state ranking. Andhra Pradesh ahead of every other state, out of a national base of 13 lakh certified candidates. The NPTEL quantum result is, I would say, a much smaller but elite cohort. 18 medal winners, all from one state, in a specialized advanced course. Both are real. Neither should borrow the other's scale to sound bigger than it is. And when a government release itself states enrollment two different ways in the same paragraph, that, I believe, is worth flagging plainly rather than picking whichever number reads the best. So here's the question that I would like to ask you all. Does Andhra Pradesh's lead in AI and BTA certification actually translate into the tech jobs that the state is promising? Or is enrollment volume getting mistaken for economic outcome? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.